it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood. Until you.
Hi, I'm Donna from Lost Boss 12, and I have a ship with me video for you. Today is the 15th of March, so this is from the 14th, 15th, 13th, 14th. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today's Sunday. So 15th, 14th, 13th. From the 13th of March to now. So my cheapest sale is probably my highest percentage return. This is a little Zuru mini car. I don't know if I'm close enough for you to see. And my husband got a container from the bins. But it was a plastic container, and it was filled with little Zurus. I'm not flying off the shelves. I listed them, I think, mostly individually. I might have lotted a couple of them up. My cost by weight, including the container, was 5 cents. So this sold on Depop, which is funny because I was talking about Depop earlier today with a coworker, and I'm like, I list on Depop, but I don't sell on Depop. But I did sell this a couple of hours ago, and my fees was like 70 cents. So my fees are 70 cents. My cost of goods was $5. It sold for $6.99. So I'm not going to do the percentage math because I struggled to figure out what date Friday was. These are boo-boo. These are Nikes. They sold on Poshmark. I didn't even know. I don't know. I guess I missed it. Probably my fault. Because I know they send notifications out for everything. Well, I guess I missed the lady opening up a case saying that they were the wrong size. Or they didn't fit or something. And I had already received the return before I realized there was one open. That's not my normal. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. So they sat around for a while. And they got relisted. I must have listed them low because they sold for $5 and change on eBay. Someone sent me an offer, or maybe it was a SKU because I was running a sale. So maybe it was the SKU that made them go so cheap. Whatever, they sold for $5 and change. I'm going to honor the sale. I don't know what happened. I didn't even bother to try to look. This, my husband, he does clean outs. Not as much as he used to. I used to get a lot of free stuff. But these sat in his he's got like a shed or a trailer or whatever you want to call it, where he used to do more work, but now he does not do as much work because, you know, he's got physical problems. It's harder for him to go like he used to. So, well, anyway, this sat out there for a while. I didn't even know it was out there. And then he rang in a bag of bags. I went through and I took what I wanted. This was one of them. And I'll read you the label. Ireland Ola Wear, made in Hawaii, USA. This bag has a little bit of wear on it, but it's still sturdy. The zippers work. There's no rips, tears, or stains. It's been washed a little bit. I disclosed that in the listing, and it sold on Poshmark for $10. So this was, my husband got paid to take this out of someone's garage or wherever that their storage was. And he gave it to me and I listed it. He doesn't give me everything. Like things that are valuable, he'll take and get his own money. He'll take it to a pawn shop. Sometimes he'll list it. He has some things listed on Mercari, but he's not an active reseller. He helps me a lot. So, but Yeah, he doesn't do half as much as he used to. And that's okay because he goes to the post office and he goes thrifting with me. Sometimes he's the only reason I leave the bins. So, and these is another gifted item to me. I sold 2 pairs, I think, last week on a Ship With Me Sunday. I don't think I cross-posted the rest. I don't think I listed them. I wrote them, but I didn't send them live. I have to double check because this is the 3rd pair that sold in the past 2 weeks, and I feel like that window is quickly closing for bunny slippers. So I have a friend at work. He ordered some stuff off Amazon forever ago, and they sent him a case of bunny slippers, and he gave them to me. And I had them forever, and I decided I would write a couple, and I did, and they all sold, so I have to write the rest because I did not, never in a million years. Oh, they sold for 15. I have it written down. I did good today. I wrote it down. $15. So this is the 3rd pair that sold. The one pair sold for 14, the other sold for 15. So don't be shy. Let your coworkers and your friends know what you do, and you might be able to get a prop. I would have never picked those up at the bins. Like, maybe in the bins, new in that little package, but I wouldn't have given the thrift store a couple bucks for them. Maybe now when I see that style slipper, I might. This is a vintage ashtray. Something agreeable. Element plus agreeable. Peter St. Vincent. I will let you correct me in the comments. I just liked it. It was simple, and I liked the colors. I think it's milk glass. There's no branding on the bottom. Well, anyway, I picked that up at the Red, White, and Blue. I think I paid, I don't know, like $2, maybe $3. I would have paid more than that for it, I'm sure. And it sold. I've had this forever. Where are we? Did I even write it down? Yeah. It sold for $4.30. So, I just thought it was cool. I thought someone would like it. You can't win them all. So, I make a little bit of money on it, but not much. And I'm going to bring it down so you can watch me ship. Well, that is it, guys. That is it for the entire weekend. 1, 2, 3, 4 sales. So, yeah. Now I'm lying to you. 5. I worked today, and it wasn't even a full day, and my brain is like mush. There's 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 4, 5. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching to the end, and don't forget to give me a like, comment, or subscribe. Let me know what you think of my sales, and what do you think of, I mean, the dollars aren't there, but the percentage is. So, and if I think of it before I upload, I'll put the percentage for the Zuru car if I can do the math right. I'm not, I think I know how to do it, but you'll find out, like, if I know how to do it or not. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.